Buhari is coughing persistently. What next at Aso Rock? With the president's chief of staff confirmed to be carrying the coronavirus, things has not been the same around the vicinity of the high and mighty in Nigeria, with various speculations concerning the health status of the president and the others who may have associated with the president. News concerning him now has it that the Presidential Intensive Care Unit has been activated for the president, who has now embarked on a 14-day self-isolation, having come in close contact with his chief of staff since he returned from Germany. New reports also have it that the president has been coughing persistently, and this has raised concerns with the inner circle of the president. What happens next if the president rests positive for the coronavirus? We must hope the president tests negative because of his underlying health issue, age, and whatever. But if it happens, Nigeria will be without a leader, given that those at the center of power are currently under self-isolation, including the vice president. We may have to start looking to the Senate president to step in while they recover. But hopefully, the president doesn't test positive after his isolation. Wow, this is serious. So our prayer now is that our president should not even venture to test poor, not even let alone see TV. No. That is the prayer, or else a lot of things will go wrong. According to the news right now, this passage which says if the president ventures text other way around with his age and the healthcare issue that he's been having before now, wow, a lot of things will go wrong. That means the Senate president has to step in as an acting, which is not the prayer we are praying right now. So what we are saying right now is that our prayer is that our president, by God's grace, should not test positive, or else I know that some Nigerians are out there saying, in fact, if the president tests positive, better for them. Well, that is not a good one, but my prayer is that the issue recover. Everyone who has encountered this so-called virus should just be protected in Jesus' name. That is my prayer. But a lot of Nigerians are in the sense that they are saying the president must have contacted it, that the lawmakers are just hiding it. They are hiding it from Nigerians. That since he had an handshake with Abba Kyari, so what is the probability that he doesn't have it? That the probability that he has it is very high. Oh my God. Well, this is not our prayer. This is not our prayer that the president should have it, because the nation will go on chaos and a lot of things might go wrong. So our prayer is that the president should not contact it. A lot of people are like nothing will go wrong. I read on in my other passage that I read earlier, some people were like, Nigerians commenting were like, we don't even need the president. If the president contact it, good for him. That is, God is just trying to vindicate his people. Wow, I don't understand. I don't know about that. But all I have to say right now is that the Lord should put everything right. Everything should be right so that everyone will smile. That is our prayer in this country. Well, let me have your take on this, and remember to subscribe, like, share for more updates. Thanks and God bless.